We just dropped by Walmart. PS5 controller unboxing, because it's the only one that they have. I was going to get the PS4 one. Also, the price has dropped a little bit. This was only 60 bucks, not 80 bucks. So that's nice.
Come here, Chad.
Okay. Check this out, bro. We got a controller because we were rocking this Xbox controller for the God of War game playthrough, right? This is what we were rocking, and it's not working correctly with the PSNow thing. It's just not working properly. So look at this. It's got a little knife on this thing. Look at my little bottle opener. All right, before we open this, Chris in the night with a beer. Hello, chat. Welcome back to another drunken God of War playthrough night. Cheers. Cheers, chat. Started exploding on me. Man sips thick creamy foam, part 3. 4.2%. Okay. It's okay. Should I be one of those people that like save boxes for everything and like put them on a shelf to just like show off? I did that for a little while, but then I was like, you know what? I don't need all these fucking boxes, man. They're just taking up space and there's nothing in them. Yeah, you think I should? All right, so there is the sword coming. I'm gonna have to figure out how to make some sort of stand or something. Like I gotta mount that to the wall, and I'm gonna get a watermelon and we're gonna like bust that bitch open. Why the fuck is this so difficult? There we go. Good lord. I'm gonna get you a I don't know what that is. There you go. Okay. Box in a box in a box. Okay. All right. This is a terrible unboxing. This box sucks. This is what it comes in. You know, this thing was 80 bucks. Like I paid 60 for this from Walmart, but like this is an $80 controller on launch, and this is the fucking box it comes in, bro. I'm expecting some like, I don't know, stained oak fucking wood and shit. Like, I don't know. Ooh, look at that. Hey, did this not come with the fucking cable, dude? What? Bro! It didn't come with the fucking cable. What is this shit? Damn. Clean. I like the weight. This feels good. Ooh, hefty. The buttons feel nice, dude. Ooh. Wait, hear that. It feels good, dude. This might be the nicest feeling PlayStation controller I've had. This is fucking ideal. Okay. It's got this touch. I never had a controller with one of the touchpad things. Okay, so the box literally came with nothing except for the controller. Not even a cable, man. Like there's one of those stupid manual things you'll never use and throw away in like 10 different languages. And that's it. I'm just disappointed by the unboxing. It does have one of those stupid cable things that the Xbox started throwing on their controllers. So you can like hook up microphone and like headset to your controller. I don't like that. I think that's kind of cringe. Let's just get nicer headsets, dude. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, so I need to find a USB-C cable. Luckily, my phone came with one. Controller has built-in mic. Yeah, I noticed that. It sounds like shit, doesn't it? I bet it sounds like shit. I mean, it's a good place. Like if this was your, I mean, this would be a good placement for a mic. I just can't imagine that a mic that they shoved into this controller would sound any good. No, it's actually okay. Really? I'm gonna find my cable and we're gonna plug this in. Hold. If you have Bluetooth, you can pair it. Oh, that's neat. I used to do that with like the PS3 controllers, and then you use like that special app that they had that somebody developed. That's plugged though. So maybe I'll go find my little Bluetooth thing. I ain't used that in years though. Like I'd probably have to get a new one. Is there a sound when I do this? Does it auto detect? It did! It fucking auto detected. Oh, we got yellow. We got color, dude. So, okay, here's the real question, okay? If I hit the PlayStation button, does it launch the PSNow? That's disappointing. That would have been nice if it like auto launched. Okay. Does the controller work straight out of the box? No. Controller not connected. You know how annoyed I'd be if I went and got this controller only for it not to work? What do I need to do here, chat, to get this to work? Okay, connect a compatible controller for the best experience. Plug in your DualShock 4 controller or use DualShock 4 USB wireless. Okay. Yo, does the PS5 fucking controller not work? What is this? How to use. Why is his microphone? Is he recording it with the fucking microphone out of the controller, dude?
There's one big caveat, which is if you want to use it for longer than 2 weeks, you're gonna have to pay $6, which is really cheap.
What do you mean I'm gonna have to pay $6? You're fucking joking right now, right?
www.asd.com.
I am not paying for this garbage. You mean to tell me that the fucking brand new controller from Sony doesn't work on their own fucking Sony Now thing? Bro. I started using PSNow because I was like, oh, fuck, plug and play? Let's go, dude. But it turns out it's not fucking plug and play. This is bullshit. Least they can do is have PlayStation put out a fucking driver, you know? WompMacho. I am mad, dude. I just spent $60 on this fucking controller only to find that it's not plug and play like it was advertised, okay? Okay, dude. Use one of these stupid fucking applications. Fine. Just buy PS4 lol. I don't even fucking want a PlayStation, dude. They're fucking shit compared to the PC. I just wanted to use this PlayStation Now thing to play PlayStation games on the PC. Seemed like a fun idea. Third-party driver instead of getting one directly from Sony. Oh, there we go. I gotta like activate it. Oh, look at that. It's fucking working. PC Master Race, am I right, guys? Yes, you are right. PC Master Race, consoles are fucking garbage. But we're using this because I want to play this game. Literally only so I can play this game that I would rather play on PC.
There's a fine line between ambition and greed, you know.
Okay. I can walk straight, dude. I can run. Oh my God. All right, we're in, boys. Feels fine. Oh, I could use the mouse with the little thing. That's kind of nifty. Okay. This is nice, being able to like go through the menus. I agree, Womp. Well, Womp won't don't console players just buy a $10,000 PC. Fucking peasants. True. True. I am getting good vibrations in the controller. This feels so much better. Xbox ass true. I mean, the controller was fine. It's just for whatever reason, using it on PlayStation Now just wasn't working right. It's nice being able to do things with precision though. Holy shit. Being able to rotate my camera properly. Like you guys don't realize, like all day yesterday while we were playing the game, I'm like walking straight while also intentionally rotating the camera like this, just so that I could like walk straight. For whatever reason, I hit straight and it was going like this for some reason. I quit. Nearly did. This guy won't die. Okay. Oh shit! Block that. He just one-shot me. What do you mean? Huh? Nani? What do you mean, dude? That bitch one-shot me, dude. You were getting your butt cheese slapped off, dude.